Hello, I am Akash Vyas, Assistant Professor from Department of Mechanical Engineering, CHARUSAT University of Science and Technology, CHARUSAT. I welcome you all to a course of Metal Casting Technology ME373 offered as an elective course to a 5th sem students of Mechanical Engineering of CHARUSAT. My dear students, earlier in 3rd sem, you already gone through a course of manufacturing process where you have learned about the basics of casting process as well as various variants of traditional sand casting process. Here in present course we are going to explore a metal casting process in a broader way. The main objective of a course metal casting technology is to understand about the science, engineering and technological perspective of metal casting process. So in science we have to learn about the various physics involved during the metal casting process. As you all know, casting is a process where a liquid molten metal is poured in some mold of a desired shape and a molten metal is allowed to cool or solidify, and that solidified piece is known as a casting. So during the process, the molten metal is going to be flow within a cavity with different velocities, with a different turbulence. This is all about the molten metal flow behavior during a casting. So we have to study about the physics involved during the filling of cavity with the molten metal. After pouring, there will be a solidification of liquid metal. So for a given geometry, what will be the solidification time? Where is the possibility of formation of shrinkage? What are the reasons for that shrinkage formations? How the cooling rate may affect the final microstructure of casting as well as mechanical properties of a casting. So this is all about the science involved for a metal casting process. Next is metal casting from engineering perspective. So it is all about applying all the scientific principles for design of perfect casting. Now what is perfect casting and how to achieve this perfect casting? So for that you need to design a perfect tool. You need to design a perfect fitting system and you need to design a perfect getting system. This will help you to produce good quality sound casting, that is with zero defects. So in a tooling design you have to take care about what will be the orientation of part, where you have to put your parting line, okay, how will be the core placed at the required places, what will be the dimensions of core print, what are the different allowances needed to provide a pattern. So that is all about a tooling design. And the next is fitting design for a perfect casting. So how to eliminate the shrinkage formation by application of feeders? Where to put feeders in a casting? With which dimensions you have to put a feeders? What number of feeders are required and what is the distance between two feeders are required to minimize the shrinkage formation? And to improve the yield of casting, what are the different feeders that can help to eliminate the shrinkage as well as to achieve the progressive directional solidification to improve the overall yield? The next one is gating design, where we have to decide the position of various elements of a gating system, where we have to put a pouring cup, what height we have to select of pouring cup or a screw, what will be the channels of runner system, what are the number of ingots we have to use for the proper filling of an entire cavity. So this is all about a gating design. So this is the efforts that we have to put as being an engineer to produce a good quality casting. The third one is a metal casting from technological perspective. The major challenge of casting process is that you only know about the defect at the end of process when you knock out the mold and remove the casting and inspect it. So with the help of computer aided design and simulation softwares, we can predict the results of the final casting without doing rigorous experimentation. At the end of session, I would like to share a vision of our former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. By 2020, India will be a leading producer of casting and will be a larger exporter in these items. Along with this, we have now some more initiatives of our present government of Sri Narendra Modi ji that are Make in India, Scale India and Atmanirbhar India. So to achieve this vision, we need to develop better capabilities in tooling using CAD. We need to develop a mechanization and automation practices in our foundries for large scale production. And for that, a nation needs a skilled engineers like you. Stay tuned for next sessions. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, please visit us at www.charusat.ac.in. Thank you.